If you're in the market for a new shower brush, this Amazon product might be right up your alley. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Elaine. Welcome. I'm a weight loss coach and a product reviewer. And today we are reviewing a bath brush from the brand Tukuos in my Amazon Find or Flop series, where I let you know whether the Amazon products that I have been getting have been find or they have been flops. In this video, we will go over what you receive in the package, as well as the features of the product and my own experience with the product. The product will be linked down below. There's always the US link and the Canadian link for the products in my description box, and this entire video is timestamped for your convenience. If you find videos like this useful, make sure to hit that like and that subscribe button so that you never miss an upload from me. And without further ado, let's get on with this Amazon Find or Flop review. So when you get the Tukuos bath brush, it does come in a plastic bag inside of your Amazon package, and in that plastic bag you will get the bath brush as well as a wall hanger that has an adhesive backing on it so that you can hang the bath brush off of it. The packaging for the brush is very simple, as you can see in the video that I overlaid, but it does the job. Features of the bath brush: we have a dual side of brush, so there is one side with soft nylon bristles that are great for cleaning your skin, and then we have a harder side that has harder bristles, as well as these white massaging nodules that is great for exfoliating your skin. Now, both of these sides do have plastic on them so that they don't gather mold easily, and the wood is coated so that you don't get mold buildup in the wood as well. The brush has a 17-inch long handle, making it nice and easy to reach multiple parts of your body, including your back, which is something I struggle with as someone who's 4'11". And we have got these anti-slip grips at the handle, making it nice and easy to hold on to even when you are in the shower. And then at the top, we've got this cotton rope that allows you to hang the brush off of the clip that is provided, or off of any clip that you may already have in your shower. Now, this brush is a very interesting brush. I do have a longer handle brush similar to this, but it does not have the dual side or the massaging nodules. I really do like the massaging nodules because I find that it is very great for exfoliating the skin. My skin felt so smooth after using this, and I also just like the fact that there's a softer side so that your more sensitive areas, you don't feel like you are scratching it off. It does serve a great purpose that you have two sides that do different things. Pros of this product for me is that I really do like the fact that it is dual-sided, and the fact that we've got these massaging nodules. They do feel really nice on the skin, and I also really like the fact that we've got grips at the handle. This is not something I see on a lot of the long handle brushes, and I do have a long handle brush that I constantly drop in the shower, so I really love this feature. The only downside of this brush is that I find that even the softer side is a bit too much for my skin, because my skin is very sensitive. But if you're someone who does really enjoy having kind of the exfoliating feel even on your skin, this brush is perfect for you because you've got both sides to deal with. But the softer side, the nylon side, may still be a bit too rough for some of you who have more sensitive skin. So just be mindful of that. This is a great body brush, but it may not serve the purpose of being a face brush as well. Overall, is this a find or flop? I actually think that this is a find. It is a very great find. It's a very simple find, especially if you're just looking to upgrade your shower brush game. I know that I've always kind of used a sponge long term, and it's nice to have a brush that I know has dual purposes and is really great for exfoliating, because sometimes I find that I have to go over with an exfoliating scrub on some of my skin, and this actually just kind of negates the need for me to have an exfoliating scrub anymore. I just realized that. So this is actually saving me money in the long run. But this is another Amazon find. If you're interested, this product is linked down in the description box below, or you can go on Amazon and search up Tukuos. I will put the name on the screen, and I'm sure that it will take you to their page. You made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you and your time. If you found this useful, make sure to smash that like and that subscribe button button so that you never miss an upload from me. Let me know if you've tried a brush like this or if you've been in the market for a brush like this. I remember switching over to the long handle brushes a couple years back just so I could reach my back more, and now this is even an upgrade from that because that brush is just like a sponge on a handle. It doesn't really do much, so this is definitely a big upgrade for me, and I'm still obsessed with the dual-sided nature of the brush. Thank you so much for your time. I hope that you have a wonderful Christmas, and if you don't observe Christmas, I hope that you are enjoying your holidays. Always remember that your fitness goes beyond your aesthetics. It's not just about how good you look. It's important to make sure that you feel good mentally and emotionally as well. Watch the other videos there on the screen, and I will see you in the next Amazon Find or Flop video. Bye.